All right, let's bring in Josh. Let's talk weather. I usually don't care much about the humidity, but like every day I've been like, is the humidity down yet? Is it down yet?
You had something called the muggy meter.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, and that mugginess is going to be sticking around with us.
Oh boy, it felt a little bit better today, a little bit.
It did, and that's overall because our temperatures are starting to come down, so a bit of a trade-off for us. And we're going to continue to warm things back up again as the humidity value slowly starts to be shaved off across our area. As we currently sit at 73 degrees, pretty pleasant out there as a few of those clouds are starting to break down. Just the same up in elevation and along the shoreline as those temperatures work their way back into the mid-70s, exactly where we should be for this time of year, if not even slightly cooler, with 60s found along the coastlines. A few isolated thunderstorms still fire up over the high terrain, the Cascades, but at least for the rest of this evening, seeing a mix of the clouds and the clear conditions as temperatures eventually fall back into the upper 60s just after the sunset hour. But relatively calm, quiet, and clear for the I-5 corridor. Again, just a few of those clouds pushing their way into our area, but we're keeping a close eye on some of those thunderstorms developing just to the north of the Dalles. They have seen persistent afternoon and evening thunderstorms pretty much since the start of the week, leading to some incredible lightning shows, and that's just the case out towards the central eastern sections of our state as well. We're watching this cluster right here just to the south and west of the Boise area. That's where we could potentially see some of those thunderstorms turn severe, as the soaking rains are also going to be posing a bit of a threat to the flash flood concern, taking us all the way through the late evening hours tonight, especially over those burn scar areas out towards the central eastern sections of our state. But overall, garden variety thunderstorms for the Beaver State, with the exception of just the southern flank of the Boise area and Idaho, where a marginal risk, a 1 out of 5 chance for an isolated thunderstorm that could turn severe is a potential, as everything starts to drop off again as we work our way into Thursday. All of this active weather primarily east of the mountains, caused by this cutoff low pressure system that continues to track its way off to the east, allowing for a very shallow ridge of high pressure to start to dry things back out, return the sunshine, and put our temperatures back up into the low 80s. So for the summer lovers, the next few days are for you as we prepare for this low pressure system to help usher in slightly cooler and potentially rainier weather just in time for the end of the weekend. So not a washout for Saturday and Sunday, likely just going to occur on Sunday. As the rain layer holds tight to the coastline as we move our way into the start of the day tomorrow, by the afternoon hours, just sunshine for the valley. There's a few of those pop-up thunderstorms. Again, they remain over the mountains and points east as we enjoy the calm, quiet, and clearer conditions, with a warming trend taking shape by the end of the day on Friday into Saturday. As our rain gauges stay empty over the next 48 hours, it's not till we move our way into Sunday that some of our long-range models are pushing us close to the 10th to quarter-inch mark. All right, let's break down where the rain deficit currently sits. For the month of September, down just by about 1/4 of an inch. But when we look at the year so far, back to January 1st of 2025, we hold on to a rain deficit of just over 3 inches. So we desperately need to see the return of some moisture, which will be the case for our friends out towards the east, even lingering into the early evening hours tonight. And look at some of those cooler temperatures out east. Baker City at 48, Burns at 46, as the temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor are in the upper 50s for us. Tomorrow, keeping things cool out towards the east thanks to those thunderstorms. But for the I-5 corridor, mid-70s, not too shabby. And that begins the warming trend as we warm back up into the low 80s by Saturday. Again, it's a tale of two forecasts, a few scattered showers to cool us back and make it feel like autumn on Sunday before the next summer-like trend takes shape by the middle of next week.
All right. That looks nice, actually.
Solid September forecast.
All right. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Still ahead.